Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will create this amazing 3D fully animated website. So let's get started. Firstly, open your VS Code and click open folder and create a new folder and name it glass website and select this folder. Now create HTML and CSS files index.html and style.css. Now in index.html create boilerplate code and change title to glass website and link this CSS like this. Now go to Google and search for Poppins. Now select this and click get font and embedded code and copy this code and paste it in HTML and press here Alt Z and Ctrl plus S to align it better. Now in body tag create a section tag. Inside the section tag create a nav tag and give it a class navbar. Now inside this create a div with class logo. Now create another list and give it class menu. Now in this create list items with anchor tags and name it home and give link hash. Now make other elements as well like services, about and contact. Now outside the nav tag create a main tag and give it a class main area. Now inside this create a div with class left and in this div create h1 heading hello I am Gautam. Now create another heading h3 welcome to iron coding. Iron coding must be in span tag. Now create a h5 and write a paragraph here lorem. Now create a button with class button1 and write here let's connect with a arrow symbol. Now outside the left div create a div and give it a class right. Now inside this div create a image tag and write src. Now I have two images. Now I am moving it to my VS Code. Now just type here model. This is our web page. Now we have to give it styling. Now go to style.css and give basic styling and write star curly braces, write margin and padding 0 and box sizing border box. Now go to Google and copy this code and paste it here and now give styling to body and give width 100% and give height 100 vh and give display flex, align item center, justify content center and give color white and give a background URL and type here your image name. Now set background size cover. Now this is our web page. Now give styling to section, write section curly braces width 80% and height 85 vh and set background RGB and set 0.1. This is the opacity. Now set a crop filter blur with 10px. Now add border radius 20px and set position relative and z index 10. Set border 2px solid RGBA box shadow minus 15px 17px 17px and RGBA. Set padding 0 and 20px. Now this is our web page. Now adjust the image. Dot right image width 500px height 500px. Now image is adjusted. Now give styling to navbar. Display flags height 7% width 95%. Justify content space between. Align item center. Padding 20px and margin will be 15px and auto. Now give style to menu. Dot menu curly braces, display flags, align item center, list style none and give gap 60px. Now give styling to our anchor tags. Font size 1 rem, color white, text decoration none, cursor pointer. Now we have to give it after state, content empty, display block, margin auto, width 0. Top 5px, background transparent, transition all 0.3 second, height 3px. Now give hover to after state, write width 100% and set this background. Now all set. Now give styling to logo, font size 36px and set background linear gradient to right and set two colors. Now set WebKit background clip text color transparent and give font weight 700. Now it's looking good. Now give styling to our main area. Write dot main area curly braces, display flags, justify content space around, width 100% and height 80%. Give position relative, give margin 80px auto. Now give font size to H1 and H3 36px. Now give styling to H5, width 70%, margin from top 10px, font width 400. Now give styling to span tag for color. Copy this code and paste it here. Now all set. Now give styling to button 1. Give padding 7px 20px. Give color white, font width 300. Give border none, border radius 3px. Cursor pointer, margin 20px. Auto, background. Now give it a active state. Right dot left button active, curly braces, set background. Now reduce the opacity. Now all set. Add margin here. Right dot left curly braces, margin 100px and 0, width 40%. Now margin is added. Now give animation to our image. Write @keyframes, change it to up down and write 0%. Curly braces transform and translate y will be 0, and copy this and paste it 2 times. Now write here 100% and here 50% and give it -15px translate by. Add animation here, up down 1.5 second, linear, infinite. Now our animation is working. Now give hover effect. Now write dot right curly braces, width 500px, height 500px, transition 0.5 second. Now write dot right hover curly braces, right transform scale 1.05. Now our hover effect is working and our web page is ready. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe our channel and like this video.